Hey folks, Tom Franiak here, Midwest Cabinets and Design. Got a brand new product that came in. This is actually the first time the product's going in, and I wanted to share it with you. We're right here in the middle of a remodel, so I'm going to give you some really great pictures of this kitchen once it's all finished. But wanted to show this cabinet. This is our brand new. This is from Ideal Cabinetry. And this is a European style cabinet, so very different than other things that you may have seen in the past. But let's get down here. I'm going to show this to you. But this is a European cabinet. What that means is there's no face frame on it. You can see here the door opens up. You have full access. The interiors are all finished with all natural maple. And then, of course, they install a door that'll give you the color. Now, these happen to be a laminate door, not a painted door, but they do have a 3D texture on them. And it gives you a real contemporary look if that's what you're looking for. But the cabinet itself, what makes it really great is that this cabinet is all plywood. This is not a particle board cabinet that you might find at some of the home centers or other places that carry the European cabinetry, but all plywood construction. And another thing is nice big drawers in here, and everything is soft close. I mean, truly state of the art. It's a great product, and we offer it at great value. You see in the background there, those don't have the door and door fronts on yet, but that's because this installation is going in, and we had a moment of quiet, and I just wanted to share it with you. But when this is all done, you'll see all the end panels will be on. Everything's going to look great. Countertops will go in. We're going to give you some final stuff on it. Y'all go have a great day, and look forward to seeing you in your kitchen. Tom Franiak, Midwest Cabinets and Design.